Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate the NFC on Android phone. So here I'm using an Android phone, specifically the Vivo phone. And if you want to activate the NFC, you can just follow the steps. Just prepare your device and go to settings. Click on the settings menu, and in here tap on the Bluetooth and devices menu, this one, and you'll see the NFC option. So by activating the NFC, you can allow data exchange when the phone touches another NFC device. So just click on a circle here until it turns to blue like that. Now the NFC has been activated. And that's it. That's very simple. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.